Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acting. 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 Acting is a gerund form of the verb act. It can be used as a noun or an adjective, and it refers to the performance or practice of portraying a character or role in a play, movie, television show, or any dramatic production. Acting involves pretending to be someone else for the purpose of storytelling or entertainment. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Her acting career began on the theater stage before she transitioned to film. Why acting is used in example number 1. In this example, acting is used as a noun to describe the profession or activity of performing as an actor. Example number 2. His acting nervous during the interview made the panel question his qualifications. Why acting is used in example number 2. Acting describes someone's behavior or expression, suggesting that it may not be genuine. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.